Hello guys, and today we're gonna be playing Am in the Hospital again. Yeah. So now I think I already know what to do now, so that's what I feel like I wanna do. Oh, 2 out of 4? I'm an intern. Okay, she's a nurse. I'm an intern. Okay, I'm gonna be we'll go at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. I guess that's the hint. I guess. Shift 1. Is someone that stupid? Bro, is someone that stupid, man? Someone joined and then left. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Are they stupid? Are they actually stupid or not? Oh, it looks like the owl is disconnected. Right? Can I join, please? And exit. Bye bye. You see, bro, people are so stupid. Are people so stupid to know that when I go into a goddamn game, I didn't they just join back? They're stupid. They're stupid. They're absolutely stupid, right? They're freaking stupid. They go to lobby and boom. What do you do? What do you do? Watch. Watch how they're gonna leave. Look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom, they leave. Yes, I know. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Okay, I know. Look, they're gonna leave. See? They're gonna leave. 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 They're gonna freaking leave, bro. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like, wait for visitors. 73 sanity. Give me this, bro. Yeah, okay. Hey, okay, I have an appointment. I know. Stay focused. Register. Print. Okay. Alright. See, she left. The place gave me the creeps. Huh. The place give you the creeps? Okay. I know what to do. I know what to do, bro. I know what to do. If there's something I don't know what to do, let's see. Okay. I need herbs. Herbs. Give me the herbs. Yeah, give me the herbs, bro. Boom. Okay. What do you need? Oh, why should I? Damn. Took you long enough. Thanks, though. Alright. Papa. Okay, next person. Open. Picture. Register. Print badge. Kina Field. What? Thanks. I will be in room 2. Alright. You're gonna be on room 2. See? This is marked red. So we're gonna take a DNA sample of him or her. That's what I'm saying. I know what to do, man. I know that. Oh, dry ice. Oh. Boom. I knew it was. Why you? Wow, Grozny, you're amazing. Oh yeah. Back to the office. Some advice: if things get strange, keep working. Okay. I'll fix the shutters and security cameras for you. Yes, I know. Okay. Oh. Excellent. 63 intern. Oh yeah, the best was me. Let's go. Boom. Room three. So, some over here or here or here or here. No, over here. These three right here. These 3 medicines right here. Yeah, I wish you didn't left. I'll be right here when I need you. Okay. Take the DNA sample. What do you mean job stress? Why? Bro, there is no saying. I'm not scared yet. Headache and Camden. Okay, what does it mean? Medicine, maple syrup. Yeah, medicine and syrup. So what do you need? Some medicine and some syrup. Here's the medicine. Boom. Alright, it's recovering. I don't want to see any anomalies today. I don't want to see that. It's gonna take a while. Best doctor ever, hands down. Okay. Someone's gonna work. Well, what happened to the last period I hired? Yo, you wanna check on this patient? Why you look like that? Okay. You see, anomalies has to happen. You see this? Anomalies has to happen. They have to. Room 5. Anomalies have to happen, man. Bro, your room 5. You're right here. Man. You're right here. So somewhere over here or here. All right, come on. Any minute now. Any while. All right. So let's take a DNA sample. Ouch. That's how it works. You take a DNA sample out of you. Like, come on. Or bleeding. Or bandages. My sanity's good. Oh, yo! Hey! Yo! What is it? bro. Bro, I'm trying to help. You see, I knew it, bro. It was an anomaly. What do you do? I gave you the bandages to give you the... Oh, no. And yep. Okay, yep, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. I seriously don't care. I don't know how you... Who the hell was starting a ritual? Why? Why a freaking ritual, bro? Now I need some coffee, my dude. Now I need some coffee. What do you mean treatment? Closed. Fuck, I just... Why would you start a ritual in the first place, my dude? Why? Yeah, just take the medicine and bandages. What are we supposed to help, my dude? Boom. Some start a freaking ritual in this thing. Like, bro, why? Absolutely why? Like, bro, in room 5, why? I'm opening a new facility for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Huh. Oh, what is that? Yeah, I know. What do you do? I get a taser? What? Huh. Okay. I hope it's an anomaly. Room 3. Yeah, this is room 3. I'm gonna open the door for you. Okay, normal rituals, please. Please, no. Normal rituals. If you see someone with black eyes and the mouth that is slightly open, that's a freaking anomaly. I got scared a little bit, bro. Rash and dehydrated. Ointment and ivy drops. Okay. What the heck? Oh! Yo! What the heck? Is that a... Why do I hear breathing? I hear breathing. Bro, I hear breathing, my dude. I hear breathing, like... Oh my god, bro. There's gonna be something under the bed, and I'm gonna die. Bleeding. Bandages, of course, yeah. Yeah, she left. For everything to do it. Okay, yeah. I need a taser, bro. I need a taser for anomalies. That did. At least look normal. At least. Room 6. So room 6 is gonna be like over here. Whoa. Yo. Let me help the patient, sir, bro. Let me help the patient. What? Oh! I'm not. I'm not. Oh, okay. Don't look up. Don't look up. Okay. What does the person need? Okay. That's real. Low sugar stomachache and Canada. Maple syrup, herbs, and maple syrup again. Okay. Yeah, chill. Calm down, man. Okay, calm. Oh wait, medicine. Damn. Medicine. Not a med kit, my dude. Not a freaking med kit, man. Shit! Damn. What is wrong with me? 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 Now I know I might gotta do another round. Seriously, okay, calm down. I hope you're not a anomaly, please. Cause this is scary. It's already shift 3. What is wrong with me? No, 90. Okay. Room 5. What the hell is wrong with me? Yes, I know my sanity is important, bro. It's at 91. Oh, the camera? What happened to the camera? Can you go out? Oh, you can carry patient. There, it's wrong. Okay, you're room 5. Let's go to room 5. Okay. Why did you close the door behind me? What is wrong with me, man? Like, come on. Please, Rachel. Please. You are a good person. Rash, food, and dehydrated. Oh, okay. Okay, so look, ointment, cough syrup. Ointment. This is the ointment. And then let's go. IV drops, my dad. Okay. Boom. You see how fast that is, bro? You see how fast that is? Yeah, bro. I think I already know what to do now. Since day 1, since yesterday. I think I already know what to do since day 1. No, I mean yesterday in real life, not the game. Come on, just take a while, man. Okay, I'm out. It's time to go to the office. I feel really good about myself. Calm down. I hear you. Chill. I'm just helping with the thing. Room 1. Okay. This is room 1 now. No anomaly, 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 no anomaly in here. No anomaly under the bed. No anomaly on top of the ceiling. No anomaly in the person. Please. Cause I really don't feel like trying to die over here. I got 88% of sanity. Seriously. Can you sugar? Okay, 2. Yeah. 2 maple syrups. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yep. Okay. So the doctor is arriving. Oh my. Oh, close. Chapaces may seem unstable. Oh. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. That's a taser. Oh! Oh man, it's poor. Bro, it's only me, that's it. What is it? Patients recover 25% faster. No. Nope. You know what, just buy this. I mean, I don't really care. Whoa, why do you look like that? You don't look normal? Why? Nah, bro, I might use a taser, man. Alright, I might use a taser for this. Yo, why do you look like that, man? And you're following me? What the hell? Oh, why do you look like this? You would be in room 3. Oh my god, another anomaly! God damn! Oh, you don't look so good. I promise you. Room 3. You see? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna die, right? I'm gonna die? Please, don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Okay, I'm out. What do you need? Cough syrup, maple syrup, and ivy drop. Okay, cough syrup, maple syrup, and oh yo, shh. You think? I told you, man. I told you, every one of the viewers. Did I just throw away my toys? Did I just throw away my taser? Oh, no. Of course. Of course, my dude. Of course, man. Of course. Yo! Stop. Stop. Please. Are you... Oh, man. Bro, just get out. I promise you. Just... I'll be in room 6. Uh-huh. Bro, this is ship 4. How was it already nighttime? Oh, you again. You again. Bro, what if I refresh? Nope, you can't refresh. Bye-bye. So now you look like this. You already here? Okay, no one on release on nothing. This one. There. 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 Boom! That just scared me a little bit. Okay, make sure not to die again. Make sure not to be my fault again. Ointment. Herbs. Maple syrup. Ointment. Herbs. Ointment. Herbs. This is ointment. Ointment. Herbs. And maple syrup. Okay. Please, please, please. And you just said that I'm hungry. I'm using the taser. So it takes that long to recover. Okay, let's go back into the thing. No, other way, other way. Crack the window. Bro, can I make it to shift 5? Shift 5? Thanks, I will be in room 5. You don't sound suspicious. How long will come from me? Are you muttering to yourself? Because I can hear you. I have a... You came that quick, my dude. You came that quick, my dude. Oh, boom, okay. Yep, okay. 2 patients that I have to recover. What is wrong with this game, man? What is wrong with this game? Oh my gosh. Bruises, rash, and fever. Medkit, ointment, and thermal. Hey, bro, that's what I'm saying. Thermal. Boom. Did it! Okay, room 3. Now. Don't take... Like, bro. Bro. These people are sounding suspicious. It's like that they have demons inside their body, bro. Maple syrup, eye drops. Bro, I kind of like this game now. Like, I seriously. See, eye drops, maple syrup. Boom. Okay, yeah, he's done. So I just witnessed. Okay. Calm down. Why are you're so black? Like pitch black, man. I want to be in room 1. Oh, he doesn't even have a name. No name. Just 3 question marks. Okay. 1 camera down. Boom. Come on. Print the badge. I know we know what to do. Take it. Talk. Room 5. You know what, bro? I will take it when I... Yep, okay. Dang it! I drank my coffee already. Nah, I'm sorry, bro. You have to wait for 2 minutes. Bro, I'm really sorry, bro. I just drank my coffee, bro. Now my sanity is 100. I always had good sanity. Thank God. Eye drops. Eye drops. Yeah, just eye drops. Here is your eye drops, ma'am. Boom. Room 1. Room 1. I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Don't scare me, please, please, please. I don't know why you're so black. Don't you dare say that. I'm hungry. Hungry for what? No, it's not food to bite people. Of course. If you ain't not believing me, show me, bro. Ointment. Medkit. Medkit and ointment, bro. And oh my god. How am I still surviving? I'm gonna make sure not to give people unsecure treatment. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, now. Alright. What the Okay. Yeah, I know it took long enough. Sorry. Or you better watch out. I don't like being reviews. I'm sorry, bro. You have to wait for 40 seconds. I'm sorry. You have to wait for 40 seconds, man. I'm sorry, bro. You have to wait for 40 seconds. Oh, one camera was down. Can I fix it? Oh, you have an appointment. Why is my iPad not screen lock? It has to be screen lock. Do it. Do it all along, bro. Okay. No anomalies, please. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. 6, I'll be room 8. Room 8. Room 8. Okay, well, damn. This is 8. Oh no. Oh! Taser. Oh my god. No, I'm taking my taser. My sanity is good. I don't want to. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the actual. Oh my. What is that? Touched by a entity. A freaking entity. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yo, hey. Bro, what the heck? Why is there entities, bro? 40 seconds of death? That's it. Right? my last life. What is this? What the fuck? Yo, what is that transplant? No! I'm dead. Yeah, yo, I'm... Okay, finally! Oh! 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 What? What? Oh no, oh no. Hey bro, I got my taser, man. I got my taser. Don't worry, I got my taser. I got my taser. Okay, now sanity. Oh shit. Oh! Yo! Yo! Yeah! Room 6! Hey! Bro, everyone's hurt. Room 6. I don't wanna die, A fire! A freaking... I'm dead. Yep. Yeah. Oh! Hi! There's a fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a fire extinguisher. Don't give me that. Get out of here! No! What is this? Oh my god. Yo. What is this? I can't go anywhere now. Yo, oh my god. Yeah, she's so... Oh, no. And I'm dead. Okay. So, oh, you want to play again? Bro, I want to play with more people. Like, cause more people out. Yes. Okay. Now. Oh yeah, secret agent has a gun. Okay, I'm out.